Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. I have done this look before and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. It is so spring appropriate, summer appropriate. Like, I'm getting poolside vibes with this look and I'm here for it. Believe it or not, this whole eye look is using just one palette, and it is the Jaclyn Hail palette, which is one of my favorites. Mine is like so dirty. Look at this. Disgusting. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to put it up before Easter, which is tomorrow. So maybe if you're wearing a pretty blue dress, you have something to be inspired by, or just want to do a colorful look, here I am. Okay, enough with the chit chat, and let's jump straight into this video so you guys can enjoy the magic. Taking the Jaclyn Hill palettes, we're starting off with a transitional shade as per usual. I'm taking this mustard shade. Sorry guys, I don't have the names memorized. I know that this palette came with one of those little sheets. The first palette at least completely threw it away, so I have no idea what this color is called, but this is going to be the first shade. After that, I am using a white shade from the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette just to apply to the bottom of the brows to clean them up a little bit. After that, we're going to go straight into colors, honey. We ain't playing today. We're going to pick up this gorgeous Jada shade. I believe that's the name that it's on the palette, not sure. But I'm applying that with a Sigma brush. I like to pack it on first and then blend it in. Now, I want to add some definition because we definitely don't want to be plain here. So I am going back into the palette with that dark green color and applying that to the outer corner of the eye. Again, we're just going to create a little bit more of dimension and depth. After that, we're going back into the palette. We're applying this shimmer shade, which is absolutely gorgeous. I do like to wet my brush when I work with shimmer shadows. I don't care what palette it is. It could be the most expensive palette in the world, and I'm still going to wet my brush. It's just a habit of me now, and I just see a huge difference. Now I'm going to go back with the shade Jada, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm just smoking that outer corner, meeting all those colors together so there's not a harsh line in between the crease, the lid, and then the outer corner. I'm going to apply a cream eyeliner to the waterline. This is a nude liner. Honestly, this is for your brows, but I just use it for my eyeliner because I don't know, I'm so used to it. But after that, we're going to work on the lower lash line, again, repeating the same steps. We're just sticking with the blues, applying that dark shade really close to the lash line, and then the lighter greenish blue shade, we're just diffusing everything. After that, I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara. This is by e.l.f. It is the Mineral Infused Mascara. I love this mascara so much. For lashes, I'm going with Lash Kitty in the style Tiffany. Hands down, my favorite lashes from Lash Kitty. Love these. They're so fluffy, they're so long, and they're so dramatic. I didn't apply eyeliner because I really wanted to wear dramatic lashes. I'm going to take a mix of these two highlights. Again, I don't know the name, but I am going to apply them to the inner corners of the eye. I just really wanted my eyes to pop and just bring a lot more attention to them, like, hello, I am here and ready to serve. To set the entire face, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I did already do my foundation and everything off camera. I just really wanted to focus on the eyes. I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you guys. For the lips, as always, I took the Italia lip liner in the shade Brown. And I really wanted to stick with something really, really nude. So I took the OFRA liquid lipstick in the shade Dubai. And as you can see, it is super nude. Normally, I wouldn't wear this, but it pairs perfectly with this look. And that does it. After you've applied your lipstick, you are all done with this magical look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Happy Easter. I love you, and I will see you soon. Mwah.